नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। फैकल्टी नेम फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। डिपार्टमेंट नेम टीचिंग एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। प्रोग्राम नेम BA/BSc B.Ed JADBC PCM second semester. Course name Understanding Education and its Perspective. Session name Relevance of Educational Thought, Indian Educationist Mahatma Gandhi. Today I am delivering my lecture according to Gandhian philosophy. In previous video talk ideas of Gandhi, views of Gandhi in philosophy, aims of Gandhian philosophy and Gandhiji's naturalism in education. In this video, Gandhian philosophy, type of education. Gandhi has given 6 types of education under the Sarvodaya society. What are the several elements of the naturalism in education according Gandhian philosophy? Craft work and natural point of all subject, medium of instruction, curriculum and spinning, correlation, freedom for the child, education in natural surroundings, and minimum importance to textbooks. All are the Gandhiji's naturalism in education. Freedom for the child. In the children are to find themselves. They must be allowed a sufficient degree for freedom. If they are to develop their powers to the fullest, they must be prepared to accept the appropriate discipline and training. Education natural surrounding. Gandhiji greatly stressed the importance of educating the child natural surrounding. He expects the teachers to educate village children in their villages so as to draw out all their faculties through some handicrafts. Minimum importance of textbooks. According Gandhian naturalism in education, like all naturalists, he minimized the importance of a textbooks. I do not even remember having made much use of the books that were available. I do not find it at all necessary to load the boys with quantities of books. According to Gandhi, children take in much more and with less labor through their ears and through their eyes. I do not remember having read any book from cover to cover with my boys. There are 6 types of formulation of basic system of education. Gandhiji realized that the prevailing system of education was unreal and outdated. He observed, I am convinced that the present system of education is not only wasteful but positively harmful. Most of the boys are lost to the parents and to the occupation. to which they were born. They pick up evil habits, affect urban ways, and get a smattering of something which may be anything but education. Gandhiji further observed, the present system of education does not meet the requirement of the country in any shape or form. English has been made medium of education in all the highest branches of learning, and it has created a permanent bar between the highly educated few and the uneducated many. Gandhiji went to criticize the system. We have up to now concerted on stuffing children's minds with all kinds of information without even thinking or stimulating or developing them. Gandhiji according stressed, let us now cry a halt and concentrate on educating the child properly through manual work, not as a side activity, but as a prime means of intellectual activity. Main features of the system of education based on Gandhi's philosophy. Education for a just social order. Education through craft and manual work. Education through mother tongue. Education related to life, activities and experiences. Self-sufficient education. Dignity of labor. Correlation. Religious education. Spiritual training. Freedom to children but under discipline. Character development. Mass education. Women's education. All are the main features of the system of education based on Gandhiji philosophy. Gandhiji has given 6 types of education under Sarvodaya Society. Basic education, place of work, expertise. बुनियादी शिक्षा, नई तालीम, नेशनल एजुकेशन, वर्धा शिक्षण, लाइफ एजुकेशन. Principles of basic education. Free and compulsory education. Mother tongue as a medium of education. Craft centeredness education. Self sufficiency. Correlated teaching. New education policy 2020 is based on some philosophers' ideas. So Gandhian ideas in modern education, correlation teaching, and in this policy interdisciplinary courses all are related to correlated teaching. non-violence. In this time, all global era required to peace and want to non-violence. Ideal citizen. In that time, Gandhian philosophy is ideal citizen, and in modern education also need to ideal citizens. The origin of basic system of education may be traced back to July 1937 when Gandhiji wrote in Harijan a general start by him. By education, I mean an all-round development drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind and spirit. Literacy itself is no education. I would therefore begin the child's education by teaching it a useful handicraft and enabling it to produce from the moment it begins its training. Thus, every school can be made self-supporting. The condition being that the state takes over the manufacture of these schools. In October 1937, a conference of national workers was held at Wardha under the chairmanship of Mahatma Gandhi. His ideas were considered at the following resolutions passed. That the opinion of this conference, free and compulsory education be provided for 7 years on a nationwide scale. That the medium of instruction be the mother tongue. That the conference endorses the proposal made by Mahatma Gandhi. That the process of education throughout this period should center around some productive form of manual labor, and that all other abilities to be developed or training to be given should, as far as possible, be integrally related to the environment of the child. That the conference expected that the system of education will gradually be able to cover the remuneration of teachers. Zakir Hussain Committee on Basic Education, formulation of the scheme. The conference appointed to a committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Zakir Hussain, a renowned educationist. The report of this committee was published in 1938. The report is known as a Wardha scheme of education. The scheme was approved by Mahatma Gandhi and accepted by the Indian National Congress. What do you know about Wardha scheme? What is the committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Zakir Hussain? All are discussing in the Gandhian philosophy, origin of basic education, Nai Talim, Wardha scheme of system of education started on 1937 and stopped in 1938. It is not quite fair to limit Gandhiji's philosophy and principles of education to basic education, his contribution goes far beyond. Thank you.